Good day, my name is Timothy Tunde Adribube, the CEO of CAPT. Today is day one of our 3 days online driving school. So basically today I'm going to be teaching your sitting positions, how you should sit for effective driving, how you should set your vehicle to your taste, like the way you want it to be, the way it will be comfortable for you. Most drivers ignore that, and at the end, just 1 hour 2 hours driving, you're having waist pain or you're tired. So we'll just go straight to the point. First of all, you adjust your seat. I'm tall, so I'm going to be adjusting according to my height. I'm very tall, so I moved the seat backwards. Where to move your seat is by the left of every car, by the left of the seat. That's where you find your seat adjusters. You adjust it to the position. While adjusting it, make sure you can see your dashboard, because like as for this car, you can adjust this steering up and down. This is a Peugeot 406, can be adjusted like this, but if it's like this, I'll not be able to see. Maybe something is happening, I'll have to bend. No, so it has to be adjusted like this. With this, I can see. Your steering should always be directly to your jaw while driving. If you are not this tall, then your steering should be down so that you're comfortable. That's the number one thing you should adjust while driving. Then you should get familiar with your pedals. This is an automatic car. We are doing an automatic car. So automatic car has just a brake and accelerator. The brake and accelerator is going to be shown to you as a picture during the class. So the brake and accelerator, the brake is the one by the left and the accelerator is the one by the right. The brake is the bigger one, the accelerator is the smaller one. To get familiar with it, you only move your accelerator and your brake with your right leg. If you are a left footer, you have to learn how to use your right leg. The left leg has its own position. The left leg doesn't do anything. The left leg is always in its resting state. Get familiar with how you move your legs. Moving it does not necessarily mean you should raise your leg up or raise it down. You can just keep your legs and be moving, which is going to be shown as a small clip that will send to you, just the leg, so that you understand what it means. Because as for this video, you're not able to see down there, but the clip I'm going to send to you later, you're going to see it. So that's getting familiar. Now you are set with your steering and you are set with your pedals. We now move forward to your mirrors. When you sit in the car, let's say somebody has driven this car, the person will adjust this mirror like this, because with my height I can see like this. Somebody's height, the mirror has to be adjusted down. Electric cars have their adjusters here, but for this car, it's not an electric car, so you set it with your hands. Always set it in such a way that you will see the last, you'll be able to see your bumper, you'll be able to see your tires, and you'll be able to see back of the road. That is the standard way of setting your side mirror. And this is your rear mirror. While setting your rear mirror, make sure you set in such a way that you are seeing your full back. You're not setting it to see the person sitting behind you. No, that's wrong. Set it to see the behind, because you're going to see behind when you are driving. Let's say you want to navigate right or left. So that's how you set it for seeing behind. The same goes with the right. You're not able to see the right, but there's going to be a picture showing how you should set your mirror. This video is only explaining how it should be. The picture will show you the exact position you should set it. Thank you very much. So we'll still move ahead. We'll forge ahead to your handbrake. This is your handbrake. What the handbrake does is, most times when you park, this car is on parking, when you park your car, somebody hits you behind. If your handbrake is down, it will roll down. But if your handbrake is up, this holds the car even though the car is not moving. That is the major work of the handbrake. So whenever you are driving, always make sure you take the handbrake down. If not, your brake pads will be having issues, because if it's up, it means your car is on brake and you are still accelerating, so your brake pad will have issues. So always take your handbrake down while driving.